Yes, people, welcome to a new video, and in this video we're going to compare Monday.com with Jira and those powerful project management tools. Those are one of the most known in the world, and we're going to compare them. And we're going to compare them based on user interface and ease of use, of course, and features and customization use cases. And we're going to compare them in about integration and scalability and pricing and plans, of course. That's also important. And well, I'm gonna take you into my screen, and we're gonna make some things clear on my screen, and you can follow, and I stay talking. And well, I hope you can make a conclusion at the end for yourself what you choose, Monday.com or Jira. Yes, so well, let's go. In today's video, we're gonna start with the user interface and the ease of use, of course, and we compare Jira first, and then we compare to Monday.com. So Jira boasts a clean and efficient user interface. However, it's worth noting that its interface is primarily designed for software development and issue tracking, which can be a bit overwhelming for those not familiar with these processes. The learning curve for beginners can be steep. So keep that in mind, guys, that the learning curve for beginners can be steep, so a little bit difficult. Well, Monday.com on the other hand prides itself for its user-friendly and visually appealing interface. It's designed to be intuitive, making it accessible to a wide range of users across different industries and departments. Navigating tasks and projects is straightforward, even for those without a technical background. So if you have to choose user interface, you better could choose Monday.com to avoid a big learning curve. So well, the second is features and customization. Well, first again Jira and then Monday.com. Jira is feature-rich, offering an extensive suite of tools for issue tracking, project management, and agile development. It's highly customizable, allowing users to tailor workflows and processes to their specific needs. For software development teams, Jira's advanced features such as sprint planning and release tracking are particularly valuable. Monday.com offers a range of features for project and task management, team collaboration, and workflow automation. While it may not be as feature-packed as Jira, its strength lies in its simplicity and flexibility. Users can easily create custom workflows to fit their unique processes. Monday.com excels in managing marketing campaigns, creative projects, and general project management tasks. Well, number three is use cases. And use cases, first Jira, Monday.com, and Jira was initially developed as a tool for software development teams, and it excels in this area. It is widely used for tracking software issues, managing agile projects, and facilitating collaboration among developers. However, its adaptability has allowed it to find applications in various industries and departments. On the other hand, Monday.com is a versatile tool suitable for a wide range of use cases. It's popular in marketing teams for managing campaigns, tracking leads, and organizing content calendars. Creative teams use it for design projects and content creation. Additionally, Monday.com is an effective choice for general project management, task tracking, and team collaboration. Well, then integration and scalability. Jira has a robust ecosystem of integration, although its Atlassian marketplace It allows users to connect Jira with other software tools commonly used in the software development and project management. It's highly scalable and can accommodate the needs of both small teams and large enterprises. That's nice. Monday.com. Monday.com offers integrations with various third-party applications, allowing users to extend its functionality. While its integration ecosystem is not as extensive as Jira, it covers a wide range of popular apps. The platform is suitable for scaling to meet the needs for growing organizations, making it a good choice for business of all sizes. So it's Monday.com making a good choice for business of all sizes instead of Jira. It's more for bigger enterprises, I think. Well, pricing and plans. Jira offers a variety of pricing plans, including both cloud-based and self-hosted options. Pricing depends on the number of users and features required. While Jira offers a free plan for small teams, its pricing can become a significant factor for larger organizations with complex needs. Monday.com pricing is user-based, and it offers several tiers to accommodate different team sizes and requirements. The platform provides a free trial for users to test its capabilities before making a commitment. For small to medium-sized teams, Monday.com's pricing can be competitive and cost-effective. Well, we go over to the pros and the cons. We compare them and we make a good overview for you. So, Jira pros. Robust feature set for software development and issue tracking. Highly customizable workflows, strong integration ecosystem, suitable for large enterprises and complex projects. But Jira cons. Steep learning curve for beginners and can be overwhelming for non-technical teams. Pricing may be prohibitive for smaller organizations. Well, Monday.com pros. User-friendly and visually appealing interface, versatile and adaptable to various use cases, competitive pricing for small to medium-sized teams, and excellent customer support. Well, there are some cons, of course, of Monday.com, and it may lack of some advanced features needed for complex software development. Limited integration ecosystem compared to Jira, and not as suitable for very, very large enterprises. Well, if you want a conclusion from my side in Jira versus Monday comparison, the choice ultimately, of course, comes down to your specific organization needs. If you're primarily a software development team looking for a robust issue tracking and agile project management, Jira may be the better choice despite its learning curve and potential higher costs. However, for teams and organizations with diverse projects, Monday.com is user-friendly because of its interface adaptability and competitive pricing. Both Jira and Monday.com have their strengths and weaknesses, so carefully assess your requirements, consider your team's technical expertise, and take advantage of free trials to determine which platform aligns with your goals. Ultimately, the right choice will empower your team to collaborate effectively and manage projects efficiently, leading to greater success in your business. Well, this was a comparison between Monday.com and Jira, and I hope you can make your choice to this comparison, and we hope to see you in the next video. And the only thing left is to ask a subscription or a like on this video, and we hope to see you in the next one, and we want to wish you a very pleasant day. See you. Bye bye. Thank you.